How can I troubleshoot and fix charging issues with my Skullcandy earbuds?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot and fix charging issues with your Skullcandy earbuds. Charging problems can occur for a variety of reasons, from faulty cables to problems with the charging case. Don't worry, we've got some solutions to help get your earbuds back to working condition.
Are your earbuds and charging case clean?
First things first, cleanliness is essential. Often, charging issues can arise simply due to dirt or debris lodged in the charging ports. This can prevent a good connection from forming between your earbuds and the charging case. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or water, as these could potentially damage your earbuds.
Is the charging cable in good condition?
Next, let's inspect your charging cable. A faulty or damaged cable could be preventing your earbuds from charging properly. Look for any visible signs of damage on the cable, like fraying or bending. Try using a different USB cable to charge your case. If your earbuds start charging, you've found the problem. It's time for a new cable.
Are you using the correct power source?
Sometimes, the issue could be with the power source you're using to charge your earbuds. Make sure you're using a power source that supplies the correct voltage for your Skullcandy earbuds. If you're charging from a computer, try switching to a wall adapter or vice versa.
Is the earbuds firmware up to date?
Your Skullcandy earbuds firmware might need an update. Manufacturers often release firmware updates to fix issues, including charging problems. To check for updates, download and install the Skullcandy app on your smartphone. Follow the prompts in the app to update the firmware of your earbuds.
Are your earbuds defective?
If you've tried all of the above and your earbuds still won't charge, there may be a defect with the earbuds or charging case. In this case, it's best to contact Skullcandy's customer service for further assistance. If your earbuds are under warranty, Skullcandy should be able to replace them for you. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting and fixing the charging issues with your Skullcandy earbuds. Remember, keep your earbuds and case clean, use a good charging cable, choose the correct power source, keep the firmware updated, and don't hesitate to reach out to Skullcandy support if needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your music.